Jamaica is positioned to secure millions following a series of high-level meetings at COP30. Minister of Climate Change Matthew Samuda says talks with the Global Environment Facility, GEF, focused on post-disaster recovery, with the GEF committing $3 million for small-scale farmers.
Support is immediately available to the government, and we are finalizing submission for a further $6 million to be made available to the government within 6 months. Madam Speaker, I have already engaged my colleague, the Minister of Agriculture, and will form a project working group to finalize a submission ahead of the December 2025 board meeting. This submission for the first $3 million will be around restarting the fisheries sector, certainly in Black River.
Minister Samuda says this forms part of a broader effort to unlock millions more across key climate funds as the country rebuilds post-Hurricane Melissa.